In this lesson, we are going to use the standard algorithm for subtracting decimals. Highlight the decimal in each number. Notice the first decimal point is between the 3 and the 2, and the second decimal point in the second number is between the 2 and the 4. Line up each decimal when you rewrite the problem. The decimal in the whole number is always after the one's place values. Insert zeros into any empty place values. Subtract the numbers as if they were whole numbers. We had to borrow from the 3 because the 2 is too small to take 4 away from. When we borrow tens from the 3, we get 12 minus 4. This gives us 0, 8, 5. Place the decimal in the difference in line with the decimal in the problem. Remember, a difference is the answer to a subtraction problem. So our final answer for this problem would be 0 and 85 hundredths. Here's two more examples. 2 and 46 hundredths minus 1 and 7 tenths. Notice the decimal places are lined up, and we added a 0 after the 7 to keep the same number of digits in every place value. When we subtract, we get 0 and 76 hundredths. For this next example, we have a whole number, so we have to put a decimal point after the 6, and because the number we're subtracting with has 2 place values after the decimal, we need to put in 2 zeros. So we're going to have 6 decimal point 00 minus 4 decimal point 54. When we subtract these, there is borrowing involved, and we get 1 and 46 hundredths. You have 6 more problems to try on your own. When you finish, bring me your book to go over your answers and check your work.